I'm going to be showing you the experiment of elephant toothpaste. So first you're going to put in 3 tablespoons of warm water. Then you are going to put in some hydrogen peroxide, as much as you want, because the more you put in, the better the experiment will be. Next, you will put in the yeast, which makes it puff up. As you can see, it will start to bubble up. And then you will put in the soap, which will bubble it even more. Then, after that, you go ahead and give it a stir. As you can see, it is starting to bubble up a little bit more. I'm going to give you a closer look at what it looks like. Then if you wait for a little bit, it will start to bubble up even more. And if you want, you can always put in food coloring if you want it to look even cooler. Thank you for watching my experiment on elephant toothpaste.